Scope can be a tricky subject, especially when you're bouncing between global and function scope. One of the gotchas scope can result in is called scope overriding or shadowing. To show you how this works and how you can avoid it, let's take a look at the following code example. Here we have the same variable book title being assigned values in two different scopes. The book title in the global scope is assigned the value Le Petit Prince, and the book title in this function scope is assigned the value The Little Prince. If we print out the value of book title at each part of this program, you'll see that in the final console.log statement that The Little Prince is printed out. However, at this point in the code, we're no longer in the function scope of the display book English function, so why is the book title Le Petit Prince not being printed instead? Well, this is a classic case of scope overriding or shadowing. When we reach the fifth line of this code, the book title variable from the global scope is actually being reassigned with the value The Little Prince. So the book title here is being reassigned by the book title here. That means when we finally reach the last console.log in this code, book title in the global scope has been changed, even though we exited the function scope. To prevent this from happening, we're going to simply declare a new variable inside the display book English function. So instead of just reassigning book title, we're going to create a different variable. So now we've got a variable inside display book English that is relative to this function scope, and our book title that's declared in the global scope will remain unchanged. And that way, when we reach the 10th line in our code and we print it out for the third time, it's going to print out what we expect, Le Petit Prince.